Hi. This short video demonstrates the final outcome of the work jointly carried out by the Division of Catania of the Italian National Institute of Nuclear Physics and by the Politecnico di Torino to configure the Chain-Rex Science Gateway as a service provider of the STORK Identity Federation. The main motivation to carry out this technical work was twofold. First, to demonstrate that both users holding EduGain compliant identities and those holding STORK compliant EIDs can seamlessly and transparently access science gateways implemented with the Catania Science Gateway framework, and, through them, different kinds of distributed computing and storage infrastructures, such as grids, clouds, local high-performance computing clusters, data and/or document repositories. Second, to demonstrate the possibility to extend and diversify the web-based services that could be offered by the STORK Federation and accessed using official EIDs, such as, for example, the Carta Nazionale dei Servizi in Italy. These services may include the web portal for neurosciences and other biomedical applications, as well as cultural heritage repositories, which INF Catania is developing in the context of various projects and initiatives. The one you are seeing here is the home page of the Chain-Rex Science Gateway. Let's sign in. The user can choose to get authenticated either by the EduGain compliant identity provider of his institute or by the European EID system based on STORK. Let's select the latter. Here, the user can choose the country it belongs to. In our case, let's select Italy and ask to get signed in. Here, the user can check the mandatory identity attributes required for the authentication and can either add or remove some optional ones. Clicking on Send, the user gives his consent to send his data to the service provider. Here, the user can select the STORK identity provider he belongs to, and is then redirected to the login page of his identity provider to get his identity verified. Once the internal check done by the STORK identity provider is successful, the attributes of the user are displayed on the screen and can be sent to the Chain-Rex Science Gateway. Here, the authentication request procedure is completed and the user is successfully signed in.